Hi guys, I just wanted to show you a little small haul that I had I had purchased some items from Amazon, and I just wanted to do a little video for it. And this is it. This is a handbag that I had ordered, and it's in the color navy, and I paid $16.99 for it. And I just wanted to show you the little compartments that came in there. Right here, it has like a zipper in the front here. And then the zip, when you open it, which I had unzipped all of them, you can put stuff all the way to the bottom of this, which I think is so cool. It's a really nice bag. Then I had got this part. This part is at the bottom, and I thought this was really cool. That's why I wanted the bag. It has like this little compartment to put your umbrella in, like when it's raining, or you could just carry it at the bottom, which you see right here. It's for the bottom. So when it does rain, you could just pull it out at the bottom. And I thought this was really neat. Also, like when it's raining, then when you want to put it inside, the rest of your bag won't be getting wet. Even though this is a waterproof, it's supposed to be water resistant, waterproof, whatever you want to call it, bag. So the other compartments I wanted to show you is in here. I unzipped it. It has this little compartment here, and it's separated, and it has the zipper, and then it has this snap, which you would snap in the front right here. And then it has this compartment, which I thought was cool, and it has like the two little pockets here on the side. You could put stuff in, and you could snap that. Then the last compartment here, which you could snap here. And it also has like the pocket for the cell phone. And that's how I know it's for the cell phone, because it's a small pocket. And then it has the zipper in the center here on top. And so I thought this was really a nice bag for $16.99. Then the next item that I had got, because I wanted to make macaroons, is the cookies, and it's this. It's called a Cupcake decorating set, which I would use it like a set for to make macaroons. And it comes with three different decorating, like the little things right here. And not three, but four, sorry. And it also comes with 12 disposable bags. And I paid like $5.99 for this. And the back just shows you what they look like. And this is this that I ordered. Then I needed a cartridge for my printer, so I got me a Canon cartridge in color, because I already have the black one. I paid $22.99 for this. Then I had needed sunglasses. So I ordered a pair of sunglasses, and these were $5.99. And the lenses are in pink, and the lens are in pink. The glass lens are in pink, and then it has the other part is in a rose gold. The metal part there, the frame. Then what I thought was so cute which you never get with glasses, is that it came with the case. And then it also came with the cloth to clean your glasses. Then it also came with a card. I don't know if you get money or a discount with it. I'll find out later. So those are the things that I had got with it. And then the last thing that I had got is this humidifier filter. And I needed this. I was looking for it because I have a humidifier that needed a new filter, and I couldn't find it. I looked on Amazon, and that's where I found it. This was $10. So I got this humidifier filter replacement. And a humidifier, it's good for when you have sinus problems, and I do, so that's why I had ordered it. And these are the things that I ordered from Amazon. I had purchased, and I just wanted to show you what I had got. If you like this video, please give it a thumbs up or subscribe. I would really appreciate it, and I just want to thank you for watching. Goodbye.